You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from science and biology, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In British English it is said as mitochondria, mitochondria, stress on the third con syllable. In American English it is said as mitochondria, mitochondria in American English, or mitochondria in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.